on the screen is my EdPuzzle video I have just made for the National Geographic topic that we had to do. And as you can see that I have trimmed the video that used to be about 5 minutes. I trimmed it to about 3 minutes and 59 seconds to keep it in that 1 to 2 minute range. And I have also included 1, 2, 3 questions as well. And in the requirements, you're supposed to add an audio narration to it. But the only way you could add an audio narration is if you narrated the entire video. You couldn't just do a part of, like, a certain section of the video, so I could not include that. Because if not, I wouldn't have been able to watch the video that we are watching right now. And so if I were a student using this, I would obviously start the video, and I would watch it up until the first question, which we'll get there in a sec. It won't let me fast forward because it is locked.
But Craig's work predates the drill. So if anyone can tell us the true story of the Prince William Sound, it's Craig and his team. Hey Craig, it's very nice to meet you.
I got started with killer whales because they seem to keep following me around. It just seemed like I needed to know something about them. And with the Exxon Valdez oil spill had a major effect on one particular pod. We ended up losing 9 total. We were then able to track what happened with these groups.
The killer whale, or orca, is the world's largest dolphin species and one of the smartest predators.
We've been working pretty seriously to document the population. And Exxon basically denied there was much of an effect on anything at the beginning.
So as you can see, when the video gets to the question, it pauses the video so then the student can then answer the question. So the question is, why would Exxon say there wasn't really an effect on anything? And then, students may put something like, like they don't want to be blamed for the effects the oil will have on the ecosystem. Something along those lines, and then they can also go back and rewatch it until up to that question, then they would just click submit, and then continue, and then it just keeps on going with the video and on to the next question. And that is it.